Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am adding some cozy, comfortable touches of fall throughout some areas of my home, and I invite you to grab a cup of coffee or something warm, cuddle up in a warm, cozy spot to watch, or decorate along with me. I hope this video inspires you to add a little touch of fall to your home, so sit back and enjoy. I started my decorating by adding a touch of fall to my office. I used fall-toned florals to wrap around my candles. They were a little snug, so I clipped the backs with some floral scissors, and this allowed for a perfect fit. I added a couple of pumpkins and a cozy throw to the room to add a simple touch of fall to my working space.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
In the living room, I decided to add fall-themed pillows and comfy throws. I added some subtle touches of fall throughout the room, but I chose the fireplace as a decorating focal point. As you will see, I loaded down the mantel with fall-themed florals. I wanted to keep this video real life, so I left in the struggles of getting the flowers in place and the candles as well. But all in all, I was absolutely in love with the way the fireplace turned out.
You miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? But now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
I wanted to add a touch of warmth and comfort to my entryway table to greet guests for the season. I will probably add more things later and possibly even redecorate for Halloween in October, but I am pleased with how it looks.
Set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
I had a shelf that needed a touch of fall, a Dollar Tree photo frame, a Dollar Tree pack of leaves, a couple of index cards, and some Mod Podge came to the rescue. To create this simple DIY, I used Mod Podge to glue leaves to index cards and placed them inside a Dollar Tree frame. To add a personalized touch, I added an initial to the center of the leaves. So simple and inexpensive.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home.
I needed to create a floral centerpiece for my kitchen table, and this is how I do floral arrangements. I literally put everything that I think I might use on the table, and I try out a variety of florals, vases, whatever I have, and I create exactly the piece that I want. Pumpkin picks added to create this one just added in a special touch, and I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think?
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
The last room that I'm decorating in this video is my dining room. The addition of fall florals, a table runner with colorful leaves, candles, and silver pumpkins give this room an inviting place for family and friends to have meals.
There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow?
so much for watching until the end. I wanted to share a few of my other favorite fall decor pieces in my house with you. I also would love to invite you to join my YouTube family. My YouTube family means so very much to me, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and even share this video with your friends. It really helps me out. I want to wish you all a very happy, cozy fall season, and remember, whatever you do today, take time to live, laugh, and love. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.